Hey Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany, and today I have a little unboxing and walkthrough of the the Inner Queen Oracle by Lady Luna, and it is for women who feel called to empower, love, nurture, and free themselves. Now this was it's a 37 deck, and it was actually the result, I believe, of an Instagram challenge that gets run every year, where you draw your own. You have a oracle card prompt, and then you create a card for every day, and this was the result of it. So that's the back. Now I am going to switch cameras. It does just come shrink wrapped. It's printed on demand by Printer Studio, so there's not much packaging or anything for me to show you, but I will swap cameras in a minute and go through each one of the cards and show you this beautiful artwork, and to show you the rest of the cards. So let's jump on over and have a look through them. Okay, so now we're going to have a look through each one of the cards for the Inner Queen Oracle deck. And the back, this is the back of the deck. So there's some nudity in this, if you haven't kind of got that from the design. So the Inner Queen Oracle, they are for women who feel called to empower. See, there's where you can download the guidebook. The first deck card is a mirror of the back. I am a goddess. I love my body. Inner strength. Life weaver. Independence. Vision. Tribe. Sensuality. Transparent. Soul vehicle. It's really cool. Love pump. Hungry for love. Abundance. Equilibrium. Beginning. Selfishness. So the card size is a standard tarot deck size. The card stock feels like 310 GSM. It's not super glossy, as you can see. It's got a nice finish, censored. Free flow. Inner whore. creativity, union, bling bling, connection, blossom, I wonder if that was intentional to have, oh maybe that's just like an extra card, the I am a goddess. Maybe that's the fallen angel, self-love, hot mess, Moon Sisters. I like that one. It's a bit hard for me not to like anything with the moon on it though, to be fair. Diversity, protection, emptiness, survival, approval, naked, kiss yourself, awake, asleep, ground yourself, and center yourself. So let's see how these shuffle. They shuffle really nicely. I do like doing it. They'd fan out very nicely too in what card we're going to pick. Inner strength. So because this comes with a digital guidebook, when you are reading it, you can either print it off and have it with you, or you can just use what's on the card intuitively, which is how I would read. So knowing just how strong you are on the inside, and especially with that showing the reproductive system, which takes an awful lot of strength to have children, and the ability to do that. And I like how I've got my little goddess there. So that is the Inner Queen Oracle. I'll put a link to where you can buy the deck below, and thank you for watching.